Samdita Your Holiness, on behalf of all Tibetan artists, both inside Tibet and in exile, as well as artists around the world who love you and revere you, I join some of Tibet's friends from the art world and the children from the Tibetan Children's Village to offer our gratitude and wishes on your 90th birthday through this video postcard. Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness. This is a painting I did of you from a photograph you're very familiar with. I want to sing you a little piece of a song for you and your spirit and the spirit of the Tibetan people. Ain't gonna let nobody turn us around, turn us around, turn us around. Ain't gonna let nobody turn us around. Keep on walking, keep on talking, marching up to freedom land. Happy birthday.
Hello, great Dalai Lama. I'm here wish you a very happy 90 years birthday. Live a long life, happy life, peace.
Dear Dalai Lama, I am sending my thanks for your teachings and wishing you a very, very happy 90th birthday.
A very happy birthday from New York City to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Swaha. Swaha. Tashidelek, happy birthday.
Your Holiness, may your life continue to be a beacon of hope and humanity and peace. And thank you so much for all of the teachings. Your generosity of spirit, you've inspired millions.
Saudi from New York City, sending my very best wishes to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Happy birthday.
Hello, this is Philip saying happy birthday to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
A very happy birthday to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Thank you for your wisdom and your teachings, for everything you've shared, and for your love and genuine care for humanity, animals, for nature. All of your words and your wisdoms have a ripple effect that touch people across the geographical borders. Your words and your love know no bounds, and they will be carried on for future generations forever. Thank you, thank you, thank you so, so much. We are so blessed to share the planet with you, and just wishing you a wonderful day.
I was a little girl. I loved His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and in 1959, I prayed for his safety when he had to escape to India. And we're all still praying for him. We pray for his good health. We pray for his cheerful heart. We pray that he will be with us yet another decade, for 100 years. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to the 14th Dalai Lama. And this is a little poem that I wrote for you. May I be nothing but the peeling of a lotus, papering the distance for you underfoot, one lone skin to lift and fashion as cap to cradle your bowing head, an ear to hear the great horn, a slipper to mount the temple steps, one lone skin bearing this wish. May your hands be full of nothing. May your toys scatter the sky, tiny yellow bundles bursting like stars, like smiles. and the laughter of a bell. Happy birthday. We love you.
Your Holiness, in celebration of your 90th birthday, so meaningfully, children of Tibetan Children's Village, singing the stanza, Long Life Prayer dedicated to you. So with gratitude and deepest respect, we wish you a very happy 90th birthday. And thank you for everything, Your Holiness.
Happy birthday to you. Tongala tashi dere. Kege tongala tashi dere. Kege tongala